शुरू करता हूँ अल्लाह के नाम से। Hello friends. You are watching GN News Urdu. अब तक की अहम खबरें ये है। Today is May 4th, 2022. First, Russia, Ukraine. Russian President Vladimir Putin has said the West could help end the war in Ukraine by putting more pressure on President Vladimir Zelensky and stopping the supply of weapons to his forces. Why could Putin declare war on May 9th? This is a symbolic history in Russia, and the declaration of war on Ukraine would give Putin the upper hand. But it also represents a major threat. Russia may boycott Security Council meeting. Russia, in an unusual move, has decided to boycott a UN Security Council meeting with the European Union's Political and Security Committee, PSEC. What is it in Ukraine's Russian-speaking East? Putin's war is tearing families apart. Russia's war in Ukraine. The evacuators from Mariupol's Azovstal plant eventually arrived safely in Zaporizhzhia. Russian forces attack Azovstal in Mariupol. Live updates. Ukrainian commanders say Russian tanks have begun attacking a large plant. Russian strikes kill 21 civilians in eastern Ukraine. Governor says the death toll from a Russian rocket attack on the Kramatorsk train station on Tuesday is the highest in the region since 57 people were killed. Middle East news. Dubai is a haven for wealthy Russians fleeing sanctions. By Samir Hashmi. Middle East business representative. Dubai has emerged as a haven for wealthy Russians fleeing the effects of Western sanctions on the Ukraine war. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan is visiting Saudi Arabia for the first time in years to improve relations. This historic trip could affect the security situation in the entire region. From Iran to the war in Yemen. Israel made arrests after the guard was killed. The Al-Aqsa Martyrs Brigade has claimed responsibility for the killing of an Israeli guard in a West Bank settlement. Hariri's absence ahead of Lebanese elections leaves Sunni voters uncertain. Asia News. Lalitpur, Indian police allegedly raped a girl who was reporting gang rape. As the United States retreats, Saudi Arabia and Iran are trying to fix the fence. Heavy rains and floods kill 20 in Afghanistan. Imran Khan announces to hold a rally in Mianwali on May 6. Victim of U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken. Corona mutual cooperation with Pakistan continues. U.S. How will Shanghai, which was affected by the quake, finally get out of the lockdown? I did not bring down Imran Khan. He fell because of his actions. Asif Ali Zardari. Hopes of money from Saudi Arabia and Abu Dhabi faded. The caretaker government lasted only a day. Governor Punjab wrote a letter to the Prime Minister to inform him about the political crisis in the province, complained Hamza Shahbaz. Karachi, 2 youths drowned on Seaview, Pakistan.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel.